Will you join us in encouraging our youth to stay in the church? Over 40% of our youth won't return to church after high school. 1 in 6 teens ages 12 to 17 are depressed. Of those aged 18 to 25, 3.8 million contemplate suicide. On December 10th, we will celebrate Youth Ministry Day in conjunction with the memorial of His Grace Mathews Barnabas Metropolitan. It is so important that you offer your prayers and support. Through your generous donations, we hope to help continue the work in fulfilling Tirumeni's vision of a church for all generations. Please support Youth Ministry Day by making your contribution to your parish, offering a check to the Northeast American Diocese, or by visiting this link. Donate today.